I'll never forget. I've told this story before, and it's a little sad, but true and interesting. And it's like you can't figure out what other people are thinking. It was a mom and a lady, a girl. Well, it's just a girl coming to get extensions from me, and she says, "I almost canceled this appointment." And I say, "What happened?" And she says, "Well, I called my mom this morning, and I said, 'Mom, I'm going to get extensions.'" I remember it was like a $600 job, not 600 or 800, somewhere around that price range. Let's just call it 800. That sounds more real. And she says, I got $800. I know I'm coming to get hair extensions from you today." And I called my mom and I said, "Mom, I'm behind on my house note. Should I pay my house note or go get the hair extensions?" And I'm thinking, do you remember this story?
I do.
And
it's a powerful story. It really is a powerful story.
And I'm thinking, I should stop now. You should pay your house note, your rent. I don't know if it's a note or rent. And I'm thinking, what?
Why are you here in the chair getting your hair done?
There's no other answer in my head. But I have lived a better life than most. I start to realize that, we all can complain about our lives. And then when you start comparing a bunch of other people, you think, wow, I've had some great parents, a great life. And I feel sorry for some of the things people are going through that I have never had to experience. And one was this one. I've never dealt with feelings of suicide. And her mom said, I was about to say her name. She says, "Honey, go get the hair extensions if that's going to keep you alive." And I was like, oh my God, if that's going to keep you from wanting to kill yourself, I think the extensions is a better choice today. And then I'm like, of course extensions is a better
Look at how much hair I have to put in your hair.
Yeah. I thought, I didn't even know you were dealing with this. She had, her girlfriend had just broken up with her and she was devastated and she was suicidal, and her mom knows, and her mom's helping save her life. And I'm thinking, pay the bills. Oh, wait, but if you're going to kill yourself, I guess living is more important than a bill.
Yeah, you can pay the bill tomorrow, right?
If somebody asked me, like, what would be a good reason to not pay your bill, I couldn't have thought of one. I couldn't have thought of one on my own. Didn't even cross my mind. And so you never know why people are doing or buying. All you can do is say, I have this service to offer. It's great. It offers all these things. Sure, it's got all the, I like to draw lines, right? And so on one side, it's got all the vanity issues. But it's more than vanity. There's other practical reasons. Sometimes hair helps somebody look younger so they can get the job, so they can compete with the other people. It gives them the confidence to hair extensions, hair replacement, haircut, color. Some of these services give people the feeling that they need to do the thing they couldn't do without it. And maybe you already have the confidence. You're already a hairdresser, and a cut or a color seems so simple to you. It's like, it's not worth that much. It's only a couple minutes of my time. And they're like, it's worth 10 times more than what you charge because of what it does in my life. And you're like, maybe I should go up on my prices.
And that's where the value comes in more than anything else. You don't know. It's a value to us as the stylist doing the hair extensions and performing the services, but it's equally a value to the client receiving the hair extensions. And you don't know how it affects somebody. It really is a powerful service more than anything else.